The world needs feminine qualities even more today. What are these feminine qualities that I have been sharing with women across the globe? In Indian mythology, we believe that every human being has a masculine and the feminine side to themselves. There is a Shiva and a Shakti. There is the yin and the yang. There is the two sides to every human being. And the harmonizing and the balancing and the embracing of the two qualities, of the two polarities, the masculinity and the femininity, results in flowering of the human body, mind and being. And as a result, a person experiences peace. So the qualities that I'm talking about today is love and peace.